I am sure you've seen airplane pillows, and they look like this. This is an inflatable one that I have because I like to travel light. But in this video, we're not talking about this airplane pillow. Instead, we're talking about this one here. This is awesome. This is the size when it's folded. It's a little bit bigger than the other one, but you can compare here to my hand. It comes in this case so you can pack it when you travel. And let me open it up and show you. This is the valve where you can use to inflate the pillow and deflate it when you're done. The valve allows for one-way air travel. So when you close the valve and blow in it, it's a one-way so the air doesn't come out. This is how you unfold the pillow. Now I'm going to inflate this pillow and show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like when it's fully inflated. You can technically put your face here and sleep. Also, you have these side opening for your arms in case, let's say, you want to hold it in your lap, or if you want to have your phone inside and still use it. Here at the front, you still have an opening to allow for air to pass through. So it's very big when it's inflated, but it's really small when it's deflated and folded in. Again, you can put your stuff here like your phone or whatever you have in your hands. This is the valve where you can inflate and deflate the pillow from. And I really like this one. I've used it, it's really comfortable. I'll show you some pictures, and I will also leave a link in the description to the Amazon listing where I bought this from. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this myself. If you find a better deal, please feel free to use it. I get no benefit of you using my link. I just wanted to share with you. And if you like this video, if you find it helpful, please consider share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.